Well, hey guys, welcome back to Bartlow's Barbecue, and today we are cooking up, that's right, an American classic called the Juicy Lucy Burger. Have you ever heard of it? I was just turned on to this burger a few weeks ago, maybe even a month ago, from Chef Eric from Kamado Joe. This actually gets its history from Minneapolis, Minnesota, from a little local bar and grill dive. Either way, we are gonna put our own spin to it on how to make incredible stuffed hamburger stuffed with amazing cheese. And we're also gonna compare it to just a basic hamburger. And then you can decide which one is better. Let's go. All right, guys, well, welcome back as we are showing you a step-by-step process on how to make these Juicy Lucy burgers. What you're gonna need is some 80-20 ground beef, just like this. Get a clear bowl, something like that, to set aside because we're gonna wanna season this first before we do anything else. I use some Worcestershire sauce, also my favorite rub, which is Holy Gospel, but you could use whatever rub that you like. And you're just gonna already throw the meat right in there, mix it up lightly. I've already done that step. Then you're gonna get 2 sheets of parchment paper, whatever might work for you. And then you're gonna take that and put it on top. And then you are going to take a pan like this or a spatula that you might already have, and you're literally going to smash it down as if we're making smash burgers. We want to get it kind of thin, show you what that looks like. We're going to do that 2 times because we're going to end up creating an incredible smashed burger. And Juicy Lucy Burger, taking 2 patties, smashing it together to become one, and then we're going to kind of gently make this more round the best we can. I've already got another set already done, and what we're going to do is we're going to take some cheese, and you might use regular cheese that comes in large squares. Cut those into squares, or large squares into smaller squares. I'm using Gouda cheese because I love Gouda cheese. And we're just gonna slightly put that on this burger here, right in the middle. You wanna leave definitely some space on the outside so that this hamburger does not get loose, and where the cheese oozes out before you're ready for it to. And we're gonna add, because this is a barbecue, Juicy Lucy, we are going to add just a little dab of barbecue sauce here. And I'm using Meat Mitch's barbecue sauce. I'm not sponsored by him at all, obviously, but man, if you haven't tried them, you definitely want to give them a shot. Here we go. And it doesn't have to be a lot, just like that. And then we're gonna place this hamburger on top of that. And I'm gonna take a moment to pause and bring you in closer so you can see how I'm bringing this hamburger together as we're putting the edges together as one large hamburger. And as you can see, what I'm trying to do is connect these 2 burgers together. You can even pinch it all the way around, and then we're rounding it off, just like so. My friends, now we have a nice burger ready to go on the grill. The Joe is hot and ready. Got our cast iron ready to put on these burgers. All right, guys, we have the fire grilled up to 500, almost to 550. Ready to put on these burgers. We've got 4 rows of regular burgers and then 3 of these amazing Juicy Lucy burgers. If you want at this point, you could add a little bit more of your barbecue rub. Throw in some olive oil on your cast iron, and I would recommend using your cast iron. Make sure your divide and conquer is in the right position so that you can have it on the side of the fire, and also have it on indirect heat if you desire to do that later on. So we are going to go ahead and throw on these hamburgers till it gets to our great internal temperature of 165, and I'll show you the progress as we go. Let's do it. Nothing like hearing that sizzle. All right, friends, we are done with the hamburgers, the Juicy Lucy, the regular burgers, and also the big Juicy Lucy on my left, your right. And now we're gonna add a little fun to this. We added a few slices of pickles on the Juicy Lucy. My friends, cook up your favorite barbecue beans, and we are going to add that on top. Oh yeah, it's already dripping. It's congealed nice. Gonna be a nice touch, flavor touch here. We're gonna just do that to, and then these Juicy Lucy's, and then we're gonna have a little big, little bacon, my friends, too. I'm gonna bring you in close. And remember, we already have Gouda cheese and barbecue sauce already stuck in this burger. So let's bring you in these two little burgers for my kiddos. They just want it plain. Here we go. Let's cut into this hamburger. Oh! No, seriously, look at that, how beautiful that looks. It's cooked. You can see the cheese on the bottom, then my layers of pickles and bacon. Cannot wait to dive into this. All right, friends, it's time to bite in to this Juicy Lucy. Let's do it. Wow, I'm proud of myself. That was awesome. Man, that was super flavorful. The barbecue sauce, that cheese, the pickle, the bacon, it had great texture. It was just perfect. It was nice and crisp on the outside, but so tender on the inside. And excuse me if I've got my hands dirty and barbecue sauce all over my face. That means it was good. Hey friends, if you like this, like, subscribe, turn on the notification button. Man, this is just my backyard barbecue to yours, teaching you the basics of barbecue, and we're learning together. So if you love barbecue, no matter if you are a connoisseur, an enthusiast, or you consider yourself a pit master, man, we are sharing in the love of barbecue together. But I'm hoping you learn something along the way, and I get to learn something from you. So comment below, let me know what you think of this, if you've made this before, and how you did it, and we can share our recipes together. Till next time, enjoy barbecue and check out our future videos.